Hello friends, welcome to the AgriLearner app YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the job in the Cotton Corporation. In this video, we will describe the introduction of Cotton Corporation, mode of the application, post for the agriculture student, scale of the pay, applicant fee and intimation charges, how to apply the form, examination center, job profile and posting. Now come to the Cotton Corporation introduction. The Cotton Corporation of India Limited is the public sector undertaking under Ministry of Textile, Government of India, extending necessary marketing support to the cotton growers in selling their kapas produce at most competitive price in the various markets yard in the cotton growing state through timely intervention beginning from the day 1 of the kapas arrival till the end of the season. Procurement operation spread over in 19 branches and more than 400 market yards in the country and having its headquarter at the CBD Belapur, Navi Mumbai. Now come to the mode of application. Candidates are required to apply online through the company website www.cotcorporation.org.in. No other mode of submission of the application is available. Now come to the important dates for the application. Opening date of online registration form is 9/12/2020 and closing date of online registration is and last date of fees payment is 7/1/2021. Now we will discuss post for agriculture graduates in the Cotton Corporation. First post is management trainee, second post is junior commercial exclusive and third post is junior assistant general post. In management trainee there are 5 seats, 1 for SC, 1 for OBC, 1 for EWS and 2 for unreserved. In junior commercial there are 50 seats, 8 for SC, 4 for ST, OBC 14, EWS 5 and unreserved 19. Out of total posts are reserved for 3 PH and 10 ex-servicemen. In junior assistant there are 20 seats, 4 for SC, 1 for ST, 5 for OBC, 2 for EWS and 8 for unreserved. In this total post, 1 post is reserved for PH and 5 seats are reserved for ex-servicemen. Now come to the age limit. Every post for the agriculture graduate have age limit of 30. Now come to the qualification. In management trainee, they require MBA in Agri-Business Management and Agriculture related MBA. In junior commercial, they require BSc Agriculture from any recognized university with an aggregate of 50% mark, 45% mark in the case of SC, ST and PH candidate. Now come to the junior assistant. Qualification is BSc Agriculture from any recognized university with an aggregate of 50% and 45% marks in the case of SC, ST physically handicapped students. If you are preparing for IBPS AFO, visit the website agriguru.in. We provide the best preparation course for IBPS AFO. Now come to the most common question that was asked by the students. What is the scale of pay? Now management trainee have the pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000. Junior commercial exclusive has the pay scale of 22,000 to 90,000. Junior assistant general have the pay scale of 22,000 to 90,000. Now let's check the application fee and intimation charges. For category general, EWS and OBC, application fees is 1000 rupees and intimation charge is 500 rupees and total is 1500 rupees. For SC, ST, ex-serviceman or PWD, application fees is nil and intimation charge is 500. Total they have to pay is 500 rupees. Now one more serious question from the student is how to apply. Open the website www.cottoncorporation.org.in. Then you will get requirement. Click on that and click on the link, you will get the form. Now let's check the job profile and posting of Cotton Corporation in India. The selected candidate will be posted in the different cotton growing states across the India. In the case of junior commercial exclusive, posting will be in rural and remote areas. The candidate can be posted in any of the offices in India. The management has the right to change the job profile of the candidate its discretion at any time. If you are preparing for IBPS AFO, visit our website www.agriguru.in for the best preparation of IBPS AFO, link given in the description. If you have any query related to the Cotton Corporation job, comment your queries, we will reply you. Thank you, have a nice day, subscribe and support.